Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, northeastern Morrow County, until 2 p.m. At 1:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lexington, or 11 miles east of Mount Gilead, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Lexington, Belleville, Butler, Lucas, and Chalk. And now the